All right, y'all, back at you for another episode of
Plant Pirates!
Yeah, that's right. I'm your captain, Edward Teach, and this is my vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we're going to be sailing the high seas today. Looking for what?
Free plants!
And how are we going to get them?
Landscape debris files.
That's right, y'all. Today is Landscape Debris Pickup Day in our community. So we're going to sail around in our golf cart, I guess, looking for free plants. But we got to get going because somebody else is out to get the plants. Who is it, guys?
The British Royal Navy.
The British Royal Navy, a.k.a. the Waste Management Landscape Debris Trucks. They'll come along and crush up all the plants if we don't get them. So we better get going, right, guys?
Yeah.
All right, we're out of here. We'll get back with everyone when we get something good. All right, we just rolled up on our first plant here. It looks like there's a ton of yucca in here. Right, guys?
Yep, I think it's called a bayonet yucca.
The bayonet yucca? Yeah, there's tons and tons of it. So, Teddy, why don't you go grab up, maybe there's a good piece over there.
Too.
Where's the bromeliad?
Right there. Is it?
No, that's a bird of paradise leaf.
Oh.
But we're going to grab up, maybe get that one over there, Ted. Yeah, and we're going to grab up maybe one or two more of these. All right, we just rolled up on a sorry-looking tea plant. Looks like there's some plumeria in there, too. Some wedding
some
bouquet.
small philodendron in there, too.
Okay.
And remember, it kind of worked from cuttings.
Yeah, all right, we're going to grab all this stuff up. All right, we just rolled up on a whole bunch of Song of India here. A whole bunch of it. Looks like
Should
some
we get
tea plant cuttings, too.
Croton?
They're croton cuttings, yeah. Get
Let's
a couple
grab
of those, too.
those.
We can root that from cuttings. All right, cool. All right, we just rolled up on tons of bromeliads. Looks like there's tons here. And then there's some behind the boat back there. I wonder if this boat's up for grabs. Looks like it's in the pile too. I don't know. We're gonna grab some of these bromeliads though. All right, we just rolled up on some green tea plant under that. Oh, it's got a flower on it too. Yeah.
Flower.
Be careful, gentle with that stuff. Pull the philodendron off of it. Oh, this is a prize. This is a prize. We're gonna grab this up real quick. All right, we just pulled up on another pile of awesome bromeliads here. This looks like a good size. Wow, there's lots of them. I might have to get out and help her. Whoa, it's a huge clump.
Do we have any clippers?
No, we don't. I don't think we do. We should rip them apart. All right, we'll get back with you. All right, looks like we rolled up on some Chinese evergreen. And you said you saw a
I see elephant ear right there.
elephant ear right here. All right, we're gonna grab this stuff up. Go for it, bud. All right, so we made it back to the house.
Yeah.
We got the kids breakfast and got them off to their class, and now we can show everybody all the stuff we got. We got tons of stuff this week.
We did. We actually didn't cover as much ground as I wanted to.
Yeah, 'cause
we didn't have any more.
We ran out of room. I mean, and there was there's so many bromeliads on the side of the road. I feel like we should go back with the truck and just like load it down. I mean, there was like thousands of them.
Yeah,
like,
we left a lot behind.
we also left behind a lot of, I think it was Christmas palms that are flowering right now.
Yeah, the berries.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should have gotten some of those.
Yeah, to sprout. We didn't.
Maybe we should go back out.
We didn't.
again.
Yeah, I don't know. There was tons of stuff. So let's go ahead and show everybody what we got.
All right. Tons of vermilion.
Tons. Probably 4 different kinds at least.
At least. Who knows? I mean, we got like piles of them several piles of them out of different yards. So.
Yeah, so this is as big as this one will get. You guys can see that's a large variety of.
I think this might be a native one to here.
Okay. I believe that because we see giant piles of these all the time. They must grow well. So.
Whoops.
Whoopsies. That's all right. There's a nicer one off of that.
This one's pretty though. This one's.
Oh yeah, look at
spotted
that.
ones.
Look at that, guys.
Here's the.
That's beautiful.
So obviously this one's old.
Yeah, and this
We're
is
probably
the
not going to give you a ton of babies, so
Right.
we'll probably just pull this one off.
Yep.
And get babies off that one. But this one looks different than one. I don't think we have this one.
I don't think we have that one either. We have one that looks like this but isn't that big.
Yeah.
So. All right, sweet.
We have this one maybe. I don't know.
Oh, here's a nice little variety here with the
I
little
love
yellow
these.
spots on them.
These look so cool in the cabbage palm trees too.
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
They seem to like it up there.
All right, what else? Holy cow.
Got, whoop!
What was that?
I don't know.
Some Song of India here.
Song of India.
This is one you can just plant from cuttings. So we'll just strip some of these
It
leaves
actually
off.
grows pretty fast. Like we put some cuttings over in our backyard and it probably grew 2 feet.
It's a beautiful plant.
Yeah.
Adds a nice splash of color
Yeah,
anywhere you put it.
It looks really cool, like with crotons. And
Yeah, it does. We
it's
got a
just
lot of
it
that one.
Kind of looks like flames almost.
Yeah,
We got tons of it.
we
All right.
got tons of it.
Next
else
to
you got
it,
in
we
there?
got these. We've never done cuttings of crotons before.
We haven't.
On Plant Pirates, but
You can root cuttings for
yeah,
sure.
we read you can root
And I don't
them,
think we
so
have this kind of
We
croton.
do not have that kind of croton. Definitely not. Oh, this was interesting. This was in the Song of India.
Oh,
I wonder if that's like what's going on with that one, but that might be kind of an interesting one to set aside.
yes, good call. I wonder if that's not just a different plant altogether.
Or just the tip. Maybe the tips don't turn green.
No,
I don't know.
that's a different plant.
Never seen that before.
Yeah, we'll have to take care of that one for sure. Oh
Might
man,
be a
look at
new
all this
kind.
Song of India we have here. Holy cow.
So much stuff.
What you got?
Here's
Another bromeliad?
This one's like a purple
one.
spiky one.
Yep.
I like
And
those.
that one gets to be about as big
Look
as
at
this
those
one.
spikes, though. Yikes.
Yeah. It'll get to be not quite as big as this big one, but pretty big.
Here's more of the croton
Nice.
cuttings. Those actually look pretty good. A lot of the crotons around here have such bad scale, so you gotta be careful. But this
Yeah.
has a little bit of soot on it, but I think these will be good.
All right, pull all that stuff out. Let's get through that. Let's
All right.
go to the next stuff. We got
All right.
lots and lots of tea plant. I mean, Song of India.
Song of India.
Oh my gosh, look at that! I didn't realize we got all that.
This one looks slightly different too. Maybe.
No, that one's definitely different. This is
Yeah,
a different
that's
plant
crazy.
right here.
I
I'm gonna
saw that
baby
in a
this.
can.
I'm gonna baby
Oh,
this
look.
little.
Here's another one.
Oh, nice. I'm gonna baby these because we don't have that.
That's a pretty color too.
Sweet.
All right.
Love it when we get a new
So-
plant.
Last time we got this, I cut this root off, right?
Uh huh.
And then I think that killed it.
Yeah.
But it actually lived a long time. So
It did, and we didn't really. You put it in this really hot pot over here.
yeah.
So this is like a little. It's
Miniature philodendron.
Yeah, it's a miniature philodendron. I'll show you guys. We have like giant philodendrons over here. Right over here. So you can see the one that we just got is kind of like just a mini version of that. Doesn't get as tall as this either. The little ones. How tall do they get? Maybe 2.5 feet?
Yeah, they're a dwarf.
Yeah.
You know.
So.
But
Oh, did you
I got
get two of them? Oh, nice.
This one was smaller. I think we have better luck with smaller things, but there's no root on this one. But
Okay.
I don't know.
Great.
Try it. I think that'll be really cool for like cut, flower arrangements.
Yeah.
So
All right, what we got next? We got one tea
One
plant.
tea
We
plant.
usually get lots of tea plant. We got one this time.
not too bad looking.
Yeah.
This is our first prize.
Yes, that was the
Bayonet yucca.
bayonet yucca right there. This is one you can, again, plant from cuttings. Same with that tea plant there. Same with all the stuff.
And it grows fast.
But this one, yeah, the yucca, super tough plant. You can just stick that
Do we
right
need
in
to
the
grab
ground.
this? Plumeria?
Yeah, I don't know what that is. What kind of plumeria this is. I have
Sad
no
one.
clue. It is a sad looking cutting there. But just shows you what you can get on the side of the road.
All right, so the best plant. Oh, whoa! Look at this caterpillar.
Oh, wow. Holy cow. Look at him. Wow, that's amazing. Holy cow. I wonder what kind of caterpillar
I have
that is.
no clue. That's crazy.
We'll have to get some better
I'm not
pictures of
touching him. He's
Yeah.
so all spiky, but
Probably what got Teddy.
oh, I wonder if that is what got Teddy.
I don't know. Teddy got poked by something bad.
He did.
And it was grabbing this stuff, too.
It was grabbing this stuff. All right, so I'm gonna. Don't wanna.
Just be careful. Leave that in there for now.
All right.
So what she's grabbing at is this is green tea plant. So we actually did get lots of tea plant this time. I forgot about this one. And this is, oh, look, it's got a nice flower on it too. Look at that. So we get lots of tea plant, but we rarely get green tea plant.
Yes.
so-
It's super rare.
Yeah, and so we're stoked about that one.
Here's another bromeliad in here too. It's kind of stuck underneath the
That
tea
is a
plant.
crazy caterpillar there.
I bet you that's what got Teddy.
I don't know. All right, what
And
kind
then
of,
this is another bromeliad.
can you yank those out or are they stuck? There we go.
That's a pretty one.
Oh, it is, yeah.
Kind of a larger, medium.
It's a pretty one. Wow, look at all these different bromeliads we got.
And then
we
there's
got-
another one that got stuck over here.
Where? Okay.
get
All
some
right,
of
here's a
these
tea plant.
plants.
Yeah,
And what a crazy looking
yeah,
caterpillar.
yeah. So this one you can just stick right in the ground too from cuttings.
Here's the.
Oh, another vermilion. Oh my
Another
gosh.
vermilion.
It's another variety. It's a different variety.
I think that's the native kind.
It's just redder because it was in sun or
This is in a
something.
different spot.
Oh, look at all of these vermilions. Holy cow. Oh, and then we got one more thing over here. We got the
Oh, yeah.
Chinese evergreen right here. This one's so cool. It's got like a kind of camouflage looking pattern on its leaves. This one doesn't look great, but it does have the roots, which is
Yeah, and look at the little
cool.
things coming out of the roots.
yeah. So.
I don't think we have to worry about that.
No,
I
we
think
don't.
That's a pretty
tough
vigorous
plant.
grower.
Yeah. So we had a good week here
Oh
today.
yeah, yeah. I
Uh,
wish we had more space.
Like
to
you said, maybe we
collect
should go out tonight again because
Yeah.
there's still a lot of piles out from the last hurricane about a month ago.
The Christmas palm seeds might be good.
Yeah, and we could
might
go
be a
get some
fun
of
one to
those
grow.
too. So,
So,
but boy, if we don't go out, I'm happy with what we got. We got a spread here
Absolutely.
of stuff.
Yeah.
So, stoked.
yeah,
Oh.
feels good to be back in the game
Yeah.
again.
All right, y'all. If you have any questions or comments about any of the plants we showed you here today, just post down below. Till next time, everybody out there, take care.
Bye.